Hi there, this is SEMrush. For over 10 years now, we've been helping marketers build and fine-tune online visibility across multiple channels, be it search, advertising, social media, or content marketing. By and large, SEMrush is a comprehensive SaaS platform that takes care of providing marketers with insights and data to power up the online visibility strategy. We're excited to have you on board, and now it's time to make the most of your time with SEMrush. We'll show you around the interface so you can enjoy the whole range of solutions we offer. We'll also have a look at the various data sources available to you and talk about the best ways to use them. You'll learn how to customize SEMrush to your needs and existing workflows. You'll also get to know how to use SEMrush together with your team, your clients, or your contractors. After we're done, you'll be able to navigate SEMrush easily and harness 100% of its power to achieve your specific goals. Are you ready? Let's move forward. We collect and process large volumes of data every single day. Our domain analytics reports provide you with a wealth of information about domains, subdomains, and URLs. This offers you a bird's eye view of a domain's organic and paid search strategy. They're a perfect place to start for any digital marketing specialist. Currently, we have over 450 million domains in our database and counting. Traffic analytics is built on a robust clickstream data based on 200 million real users. You can analyze any website and get to know its audience, traffic sources, geography, and you can do this alongside visitors' behavior to make sure you're doing data-driven decisions. Our Keyword Magic tool boasts over 8 billion keywords across 118 country databases. This allows you to generate tons and tons of high-quality ideas for a single keyword, which is pretty essential to enrich your SEO, advertising, and even your content marketing campaigns. On top of that, we've got an extensive amount of information about backlinks to give you a real clear picture of any domain's backlink profile. SEMrush collects new backlinks on a daily basis and adds them to your database, which is updated publicly every 2 weeks. On top of the search and shopping ads analysis, we also offer display ads research. With the SEMrush display advertising reports, you can estimate how other companies effectively build display ads. You can also discover how the top publishers and advertisers, and even ensure that your money is being spent wisely. Over 100 million ads are now available for your research inside of the SEMrush database. As SEMrush is constantly growing, we recommend checking semrush.com/stats from time to time for the latest and greatest info about the size of our databases, crawling speed, and plenty of other facts and figures. SEMrush consists of over 30 different tools grouped into 5 major toolkits for your convenience. Switch between the toolkits using the drop-down list in the left menu. Let's have a closer look at each toolkit. SEO Toolkit helps with every aspect of SEO. Inside, you'll find solutions for competitive analysis and keyword research, improving your backlink profile, conducting deep technical audit of your website and fixing the issues, local SEO, on-page SEO, and even daily rank tracking. Now, the Content Marketing Toolkit covers the complete workflow from analysis and strategy, topic and keyword research, to an actual creation of SEO optimized content and really maximizing its reach and impact. Work with the content published both on and off your site to get a much bigger picture. The Advertising Toolkit offers tons of insights for your Google Ads campaigns and tools to prepare your next campaign for launch. You'll find data to inform your search, display, and even product listing ad campaigns at all stages of the campaign, from competitive research to keyword collection to writing an ad copy and even managing the extensions. With the Social Media Toolkit, you can see how your competitors engage with their audience on social to actually steal their best practices. It also helps with posting and content curation, influencer marketing, as well as analytics and overall strategy enhancement. Competitive Research Toolkit unites powerful tools for a 360-degree market analysis, benchmarking, pre-sales, and even pitching. It provides comprehensive data about a website of your choice, from their search engine marketing strategies and advertising tactics to their content performance, PR efforts, and followers growing techniques. If you're part of an agency team that manages multiple clients, go for Projects View to have an instant access to all your clients' metrics and progress overview. If you're an all-around player, you might want to stick to the default All Tools view. SEMrush offers you two ways of gathering this kind of data. First, analytics reports. This is found under domain analytics and keyword analytics. You can pull this research from our database of domains and keywords. Second, there's projects. For projects, you can start gathering research data from across the internet as soon as you set up any tool within the section. SEMrush analytics reports are easy to generate. Just find the report that you want to pull from the menu on the left or the label next to the search bar. Enter the domain or keyword to analyze in the SEMrush search bar and hit search. As painless as it gets. Our analytics report's primary use is to reverse engineer your competitor's online strategy. Projects provide you with actionable insights and really personalized suggestions on how you can actually improve your online visibility. When we say actionable, we mean it. You can literally perform tasks like scheduling social media posts, creating ad copy, writing emails to the carefully selected link building prospects within SEMrush. Unlike an analytics report that is a one-time thing, a project is a friendly ecosystem that really helps you handle your everyday work and monitor the performance over time. To perk up your SEMrush experience specifically, we made it possible to integrate our tools with various types of data providers and platforms. There are tons of connection points to really enhance and manage your data and get more out of our toolkit. From obtaining more insights with Google Analytics, maybe Google Search Console, and even Google My Business integration. You can also even have access to a more in-depth data from specialized tools like Majestic. To efficiently handle the routine tasks within the platform of your choice, be it Trello, Gmail, and even more. We've already showed you how you can switch between 5 SEMrush toolkits. So let's look at some more ways to customize your SEMrush and really adjust it to your priorities and routine. While working with thematic dashboards, drag and drop widgets to see what's important to you in the first place. To support the brightest minds who really want to take SEMrush data to the next level, we offer API, Application Programming Interface. API lets you skip the standard interface and extract raw data from our tools and reports, and then integrate it into your own scripts and programs to fit any custom need. It's great for creating bespoke dashboards or even a whole new application. A huge part of marketing is being able to communicate and present the results of your work. Luckily, we have a few ways of how you can impress your boss, your business partners, or even your teammates. A PDF report builder called My Reports allows you to mix and match SEMrush data widgets with your own images, text, and Google Services data. But that's not all. These reports can be scheduled to be sent to anyone automatically via email. Besides that, you can customize your own reports and templates or work from one of our many project templates. If your schedule is too intense, SEO monthly reports, competitor analysis, site audit overviews, we have it all in My Reports. Looking to create full transparency? We offer the ability to share your projects directly with other SEMrush users with read-only or editing access. This is a great way to communicate with clients, team members, or contractors. By clicking the gear icon next to the projects list, you'll be able to share multiple projects all at once. We realize that this is the beginning of a long-lasting relationship. That's why we want to make a good impression and offer you the support you really deserve. Our global customer help team is always ready to assist with any roadblocks you have while using SEMrush. We're trained software experts and speak English, Spanish, Italian, French, Chinese, Portuguese, and Russian. Team members are available to respond during your office hours. We're here to help if you need us. There are 4 ways to get a hold of someone on our SEMrush team. First is phone. You can call us at the number in the footer of our website to talk to one of our team members. Then there's live chat. Go to the knowledge base and find the chat box in the bottom right-hand corner of the screen to ask quick questions and get answers from our team. And then email. You can send us all of your questions, concerns, or feedback at mail@semrush.com. We love screenshots, so don't forget to attach one so we can help you out as soon as possible. You can also find us on social. We're pretty much everywhere, so just log into your preferred social media platform and let's mingle.